I went to Walmart, and this just stopped me in my tracks. I thought the colors were just beautiful. I had to take a picture, and this inspired me to make some little miniature pumpkins. So I took some foil, I had white polymer clay, and I just grabbed a bunch of little tools I had, nothing great. I took the foil and I rolled it into little balls, and I squished out the polymer clay to about 1/4 of an inch. And then I took the little ball of foil and I put it and wrapped it around and just stretched it and just made these little pumpkins. I'm really into stems. I love pumpkin stems. And then I took my little tools and I just made lines in the little pumpkins. And that one I did thinner lines. I love the shape of that one. And then I needed to bake them. So on the instructions of the polymer clay I had 275 degrees, 1/4 inch, 15 minutes. And that's what I did. And they're all baked and they are ready to be painted. I love painting. It's one of my favorite things to do. I grabbed all the different color paints I thought I would need, a whole bunch of brushes, and I painted from my inspiration of the Walmart bin. And this is how they came out. I made a little bale of hay from some straw from Dollar Tree, and there's foil underneath that. I made the little scarecrow, and the little flower was a flower I had, and I just stuck it on a toothpick and stuck it in there, and I think they came out really good. But there's something missing. It's the beautiful colors of the falling leaves in the autumn. Nature really is quite beautiful. It just has such a lovely peacefulness to it. So pretty.